Have you ever wondered? Water is completely clear and transparent, but why is it that when you spill it on your shirt, the wet part looks so much darker? How does that work? The answer actually lies in how our eyes perceive light. The fabric of your clothes is made up of millions of tiny fibers. When your shirt is dry, the light that hits the fabric bounces right off in all directions and enters our eyes. That's why the color looks bright. But it's a totally different story when the shirt is wet. Water seeps in and fills up all the empty gaps between those fabric fibers. Because of the water, the incoming light doesn't just bounce straight back. Instead, the light gets bent by the water. This is called refraction. Instead of bouncing back to our eyes, the light keeps bouncing around inside the water and the fabric, and a lot of it gets absorbed. The physics behind it is super simple. The less light that manages to bounce back to your eyes, the darker the object will appear. So your shirt hasn't actually changed color at all. It's just the light getting lost and trapped inside the water. Pretty mind-blowing, right? Don't forget to share this video with that friend who's always spilling water on their clothes, and subscribe for more random facts.